Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Discord boosts. First, we'll cover what server boosts are and their benefits, helping you understand their value. Then, I'll guide you through finding the boosting options within your chosen server. Finally, we'll walk through the simple purchase process and how to manage your boosts afterward. This will help you enhance your favorite communities with ease. To begin, open Discord and select the server you wish to boost from your server list on the left. Once inside the server, click on the server name at the top to open the drop-down menu. From there, you'll find the Server Boost option. This section displays all the exciting perks and benefits associated with different boost levels. Now it's time to choose how many boosts you want to apply. You can select 1, 2, or more boosts, depending on the tier you aim for. After making your selection, you'll be prompted to confirm your payment details. Ensure all information is correct, then finalize the purchase. Your boosts will be immediately applied to the server, unlocking its new perks. After purchasing, you can easily manage your boosts. Head to your user settings, then navigate to the Server Boost tab. Here, you can see all your active boosts and which servers they are supporting. If you change your mind, you can transfer a boost to a different server or cancel any recurring subscriptions. It's simple to stay in control of your contributions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.